What impresses me most about this AC unit is check out how cold this thing gets. So I got out my thermometer, decided to measure it. It was coming out at about 34 degrees, so just above freezing. So the air that comes out of this is about as cold as you can get. This does have 3 different modes. You can use it as just a fan if you want to, so you can just blow air, or you can use it with the compressor on for the actual AC where you cool things down. And then if you want, you can also use this as a dehumidifier. Let me go ahead and turn it on so you can hear what it sounds like. So keep in mind that the mic is right here. I am right next to the AC unit. So it's going to go ahead and open this up, and you can program it so that this kind of moves up and down, but this is how loud it is on low. Let me go up to high. Okay, so you should have been able to hear it's pushing the air out a little bit faster now. So this is on high. This is what it sounds like. So you can decide for yourself. I'll go ahead and turn this off if that is too loud for you or not. I've actually been pretty happy with it. I have it in my office, and while I turn it off for recording and things like that, any other time I have it on and I don't really notice it a whole lot. I usually just wear headphones and listen to music. What I do notice, however, is that it cools off my room really quick and it gets really cold, and obviously that's kind of what you want. The unit here is touchscreen, so you can do different functions, like you can put a timer on if you just want it to go for an hour or two. You can adjust the fan speed, you can adjust the temperature control, you can change the mode, and you can turn it on and off. The remote control gives you a little bit more functionality. It has a night mode where it kind of dims the lettering so it's not so bright. You can change the units from Celsius to Fahrenheit with the remote, and then you can have the cover go up and down if you want to kind of push the air in different directions. This was sent to me so I could make this video. I've been using it for about 3 weeks. It's been working great. Like, it does what it's supposed to. It gets really cold. This is a window unit, so it comes with a plastic piece that you can put in your window, and then you hook up the tube, expand the tube, connect it to this unit. And I was able to do it in such a way where it's kind of all hidden. The tubing's hidden behind my curtain. So I think that's kind of nice. I don't have to worry about it looking weird or anything like that. It just looks like this unit in my room. It does have wheels on the bottom so you can move it around. It is heavy, just like every other AC unit that I have tried. For me, obviously, the most important thing is just that it gets cold. And as I showed you with the thermometer, it gets down to 34 degrees. I don't know if it's physically possible to get much colder than that, but it sure cools down my room really quick.